Hello everyone. Here in this lecture, we will study one more example related to Quin Mc-clausky. I have already uploaded a video regarding the basics how to solve the problem related to Quin Mc-clausky. The basics of that you can refer to that video. In this one or two examples I'll be discussing in this lecture. So let me take the question first. So what is given question there? Question is that f of ABCD, that means it has 4 literals. It has 4 literals. So here you can see that, and summation m minterms is given, that is 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 14. These are the minterms. So what is the importance in this? First we have to find out the minterms, and then first step is to we need to group it in the sense like it has how many number of zeros without any ones. That is first index or group 0. We can say here the name is given as group 0 over here. So it doesn't have any one there. Which has next is group 1, which has only one binary 1 in this. See, in all the cases you can see one binary 1 over here. In the next group you can see 2 number of binary 1. All the cases. Next it goes to 3 number, and next group it will be 4 number of binary ones, if at all, if it is present in the question. Now once we finish with grouping, what is the next step? So here grouping is done, corresponding minterms, group name is given. This is the decimal notation is given. This is the decimal notation, and this is the corresponding binary combination of the same. Now next, what is the next step? So determine the prime implicants. So we need to find out the prime implicants. So for that what we have to do, first we need to compare. So first write down the group, the same repeated here, that is according to the group it is written. Then the minterms are written, decimal number are written, then the binary combination is written over here. Then start comparing, that is 0 with the next groups. So 0 should be compared with 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, only one bit change. So the last bit is marked as dash here. Then 0 and 2 we can compare, only one bit change is there, that also we will get. So I can mark a tick mark over 0 because I have compared. Now 0 and 1 I have compared, isn't it? 0 and 2 I compared, and 0 and 8 also I can compare. It is written over here. Comparison. Next, this group 1 should be compared with 2. So this 1 and 5 should be compared. Can it be compared? Yeah, only one bit change is there. So 5 bit, it can be 1 and 5 can be compared, and we will get like this. Next, 1 and 6 can be compared. No, 2 bit changes you can notice in 1 and 6. These 2 bits are changing, and this one is also changing. More than 1 bit change is there. So exclude that one. Don't choose that. Next is 1 and 9. Can it be compared? Yeah, first bit only changes. So that is 1 and 9. So I need to tick to the 9. 1 is already ticked there. Now 1 and 10. Can it be compared? No, it cannot be compared. Next, go for 2, 5. 2 and 5. It cannot be compared. Next is 2 and 6. It can be compared, isn't it? 1, 0. Second bit only changes over there. The store everything will be same. So 2 and we can put a tick mark for 6 and write down the second bit changes. So it is dash over here. And 2 and 9, it cannot be compared. Next is 2 and 10. It can be compared. So put a tick mark for 10 and write down that is first bit. It changes. Then at rest everything will be same 0 and 0. So 2 and 10. So next remaining is 1 in this group. Sorry, 8 in this group, and it should be compared with Sol, isn't it? So first let me check 8 and 5. 8 and 5 we cannot compare. 8 and 6, it is not possible to compare because we have more than one bit change over there. And 8 and 9, can we compare? Yeah, 8 and 9 can be compared. So it is already, you have a tick mark over there. It doesn't matter. 8 and 9, you write it down. That is the after comparison, what you get, you have to write it down here. Then next, what is remaining? 8 and 10. Can you compare that? Yeah, of course you can compare, and we will get 10 dash 0. So 8 and 10 also we have already a tick mark over here. Then you need not bother about the tick mark. Now which group should be compared? This one should be compared with this, isn't it? So start from 5 and 7. Can it compare? Can it be compared? You have one bit change. So 5 and 7 you can compare. Put a tick mark for 7. Next 5 and 14. First bit changes, second bit, third bit changes. So fourth bit also changes. So more than one bit change. So you can compare. Next, go for 6, 6, 7. Can you compare? Yeah, 6, 7. We can compare. Then 6, 14. 0. 6, 14 can be compared, isn't it? 6 and 14. So put a tick mark over here. Next, 9 and 7. Can we compare that? First bit changes, no, more than one bit change, so we cannot compare. 9 and 14, two bit changes, it cannot be compared. Next, remaining 10 and 7, it cannot be compared. 10 and 14, we can compare. So write down the corresponding comparison. That is 1 dash 10 will be the answer for comparing 10 and 14. So we completed with this one. Now again, we got so many list of prime ingredients over here. So we need to compare it again. So start comparing. So we have to start it from here. So this group, see, once you finish each group, you compare this one with this one. So once you finish that, then put a mark over that to understand that. Once you compare this one and this one, you finish, then put a mark. And once you finish this one, put a marker. Next, start comparing. That is 0, 1 with 1, 5. Can you check it? Whether can you compare this one with this one? No, it is not possible, isn't it? So go for 0, 1, 1, 9. It is also not possible. 0, 1, 2, 6. 0, 1, 2, 6 also not possible. 0, 1, 2, 10. It is also not possible. 0, 1, 2, 10. 0, 1, 8, 9. 0, 1, that is 0, 0, 0, 0 dash 8, 9. First bit changes, rest everything is same. So you can put a tick mark for 0, 1 and 8, 9 and write down 0, 1, 8, 9. That is the comparison, and the answer is dash 0, 0 dash. Then next 0, 1, 8, 10. It cannot be compared. Next, go for 0, 2. 0, 2, 1, 5 cannot be done. 0, 2, 1, 9 cannot be done. 0, 2, 2, 6 cannot be done. 0, 2 and 2, 10 cannot be done. 0 to 8, 9. 0 to 8, 9 cannot be done. It has more than one bit change. And 0 to 8, 10. 0 to, that is 0, 0. Here 1, 0. Third one is dash and fourth one is 0. So only one bit change. So put a tick mark for 0, 2 and 8, 10. So after what you get after the comparison, write it down over here. 0, 2, 8, 10 are the midterms. Dash 0 will be the answer what we get. Next is 0, 8, 1, 5 cannot be done. 0, 8, 1, 9. 0, 8, 1, 9 it can be done. 0, 8, 1, 9. First one, second, last bit changes. So 0, 8 put a tick mark, 1, 9 put a tick mark. 0, 8, 1, 9 dash 0, 0 dash. That will be the answer. Next, so we completed with, did we complete? No. 0, 8, 1, 9. 0, 8, 2, 6, it cannot be done. 0, 8, 2, 10, it can be compared. So put a tick mark for 210. 0, 8, 210. 0, 8, 8, 9 cannot be compared. 0, 8, 8, 10 cannot be compared. So here we finished one with one set. Now moving to the comparison of this set with this set. That is this one with this one. Hope you are getting what I am explaining over here. Now start comparing. That is 1, 5 with 5, 7. So it cannot be done. 1, 9 with 6, 1, 5 with 5, 7. 1, 5 with 6, 7. 1, 5 with 6, 14. It cannot be done. 1, 5 with 10, 14. It cannot be done. Now what is next? 1, 9 with 5, 7 cannot be done. 6, 7 it is cannot be done. 6, 14 cannot be done, and 10, 14 cannot be done. Now next 2, 6 with 5, 7 cannot be done. 2, 6 with 6, 7 cannot be done. 2, 6 with 6, 14 cannot be done, and 2, 6 with 10, 14. It can be done. Check first bit changes over here, and the rest bit it is same. So put a tick mark for 2, 6 and 10, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14. That is dash dash 1, 0 will be the comparison. Next 2, 6, 2, 10. 2, 10, 5, 7 cannot be done. 6, 7 cannot be done. 6, 14 cannot. 2, 10, 6, 14. 2, 10, 6, 14 can be done. See, check it out. 2, 10 dash 0, 1, 0. 6, 14 dash 1, 1, 0. So only one bit change you have. So 2, 10, 6, 14. Write it down. Dash dash 1, 0. Put a tick mark for 6, 14. Now which else are remaining over here? That is without a tick mark. So here you can see a 1, 5 over here. That is the comparison. And this one, and here observe in this column 3, so many are same. That is dash 0, 0 dash. Here you can see dash 0, 0 dash. So you can cancel that. And next one is dash 0 dash 0. Dash 0 dash 0. So this one is also cancelled. Next is 2, 6, 10, 14. 2, 10, 6, 14. That is dash dash 1, 0 dash dash 1, 0. So 1 is cancelled over here. Now what are the terms we get? So here in this we will get, if I consider this as A, second term is B, C, D. then that will first term it will be, that is A bar. You don't have B over here there. C bar D, that is 1 5. Next term it will be 5 and 7, that is A bar B, A bar B, C you don't have, then D is there. Next 6 7 you don't have, that is A bar B C, and the last after that 6 7 which is remaining. So we need to consider this one, that is you have only two terms, that is B bar C bar, that is B bar C bar. Next it is 2 0 to 8 10, that is B bar D bar, B bar D bar. That will be the implicants what we get. Now also we need to write the chart, that is prime implicant chart. Next is, so here you can see that 0 1 8 10 B bar C bar, 0 2 8 10, that is B bar D bar. Next is 2 6 10 14, that is C D bar. And next 1 5, that is A bar C bar D, 5 7, that is A bar B D, 6 7 A bar B C. Now in this one side you have to write with the obtained implicants, and other column wise we have to write down the our implicants. Min terms we have to write this side, we have to write with the what obtained prime implicants, and here we have to fill with the min terms. So how to fill with the min terms which is present in the question. Note it down. Don't write all the numbers over here. Just we have to fill this with the min terms which is present in the given question. So once we filled with that, now put a tick mark like B bar C bar. It covers 0 1 8 9. So put a cross mark 0 1 8 9. Next is B bar D bar 0 2 8 10 or 2 8 and 10. In this way you put a tick mark and for all the implicants which covers which min term it covers. Now check individual min terms, either only one cross whether you can find. See, in this case you have only one cross, means this min term, only this min term can cover, only this prime implicant can cover this min term 14. In the same way, only this prime implicant can cover this min term 9. So we can say that this two, this and this are very important. That is very essential prime implicants. So we can, what we have to do now, we have chosen these two are essential. So check it, which all min terms are covered by this. Anyway, these two are covered. Rest of the, see here you have a check mark. So this min terms get covered in this, and this is covered, this is covered. Now in this case, this 10 is covered and 6 is covered, 2 is covered, isn't it? So these many min terms are covered. Now which is left over here? 5 is left over here and 7 is left over here. Check it down. 5 and 7. See, this is the best option we have. because it covers both 5 and 7. So 5 is covered, 7 is also covered. So in this way, so what will be the final simplified form? That is B bar, D bar, C bar, C D bar, A bar, B D. That will be the final simplified form. The same thing is again discussed over here. That is B bar, C bar, C bar, D bar, A bar, B, D. That is this one. So here they have given marked it. It covers in which way it covers and all. And so we got the simplified form. Once we get the simplified form, so that will be the final answer what we obtain from our after comparing from our prime implicant chart. Now come I can cross verify this by with the help of the K map. So whatever minterms given, I have to mark it in the K map so that see here you can see that I have marked 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 6, 14, 10, 9, and 8. All these are present in the question. Accordingly, I have marked. So I can choose like this. So this 4, all 4 can be grouped like this, and this 4 can be grouped together. And the same way, these 2 are remaining. So it cannot be grouped along with the 4 ones. We don't have any neighbor 4 ones. So these 2 make a separate group. So we will get A bar BD plus CD bar plus D bar C bar as the answer from the K map also. So our answer is right and it is verified. We can also verify it using K map. So in the same way, one more question it is given. So first try to map this binary into the index. Here you can see that it is mapped into index here. That is this is about return the minterms and corresponding binary combination of the same question here. Accordingly, return the binary combination. Once we get the binary combination, group it into corresponding index. So here we can see the index properly, and according to that start comparing. 0 2 can be compared, 0 8 can be compared, and it is written in the same way. We finish with the comparison of 0, so put a tick mark over there. So you can observe a mark over here. See here you can observe a mark over here. Next compare 2 with the 3, that is this index, this group with this group. So 2 with 3, 2 with 6, 2 10, 8 10, 8 12. And when we reached here till 8, then you can put a mark since you finished with the second set. Now compare this with the last one, this. So after that you will get like this. Then next you have to compare the this set with this set, and finally this set with this set, and check where you don't have the tick mark. Don't forget to put the tick mark if you compare the minterms. If you didn't compare, then it's okay. because we will be including that as a prime implicant. So if you forget, then the thing will go wrong. So we keep in mind that should not forget to put a tick mark. So corresponding comparison, and it is done. We will be getting here 0 to 8, 10. The rest everything. Here you can notice it doesn't have the tick mark, and this also doesn't have, and this too. So these will be the prime implicants. See 8, 12, 12, 13, 0, 2, 8, 10, 2, 3, 6, 7 are the prime implicants here. The corresponding binary representation is given. Next, we have to plot the prime implicant chart. So here, you can see the prime implicant chart over here. See, first one is it covers 8 and 12. So what list of prime implicants what we have obtained after comparison, and here we have to write the list of the min terms which is given in the what question. So first one it covers 8 and 12. So make a mark over here 8 and 12. It is marked here 12 and 13. Next is 0, 2, 8, 10. And next is 2, 3, 6, 7. Now check which has only one. See, here you can see that it has only one tick mark in the this column, and this also you don't have any other. So this one is very essential. I can say that this one is my essential, because to cover 3, 6 and 7 we don't have any other implicant. Now put a tick mark. It covers 2, 3, 6, 7, isn't it? Next check. See, in the 10 we don't have any other, and 13. So 10, to cover 10 we need this one. And to cover 13, this is necessary. Now if I choose this, which all it covers, like 10, it covers 10. 2 is already chosen. It covers 8 and 10. Now if I choose this 13, it covers 13 and 12. So this will be the my simplified form of a given question. That is A, B, C bar plus B bar, D bar plus A bar, C will be the final solution of given problem. Hope you understand this. And the same way, to verify this, put it on the K-map. So once we put it on the K-map and grouped the 4 ones together and remaining this 2, we'll get like the same answer over here. So hence it is verified. Now please refer my blog, Explore Electronics, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.